Y'all know one thing about me is I'm constantly making TikTok vlogs in my car, and it's time to change this up. I feel like this is like the most noticeable thing, and I always get comments about my air fresheners. If you guys like this one, I gotta figure out how to get it off, but it is from Dollar Tree. All right, saying goodbye to this Dollar Tree one. Here is a new one I picked up. Look how cute it is. I'm actually so obsessed. I'm freaking out. And it's making my car smell better. I went camping this weekend, so my whole car kind of smells like bonfire. That smells so good. It smells like very like fresh lemon, and it's the cutest little bow ever. Yeah, I feel like that is perfect for my vibe, and it'll be so cute in the car vlogs. And that smells fresh in here.